Want to turn words into money? Imagine being able to write something that makes people say, "Take my money." Whether it's a social media ad, an email, or even a YouTube script like this one, you're about to learn how to write words that sell for free. In the next few minutes, I'm handing you a complete copywriting roadmap that'll take you from beginner to pro, absolutely free. We'll cover direct response copywriting, the one that makes millions, highly persuasive words, books to learn, the exact formulas used by the world's top marketers. Out of it. So, grab a notebook, hit like and subscribe to support free education, and let's dive into this free copywriting masterclass. What is copywriting? It's the art and science of using words to persuade, sell, and influence. Every ad, sales page, email, or even social media post you see, someone carefully crafted those words to make you take action. Here's a list of highly persuasive words commonly used by billionaire copywriters to drive action and conversions. These are the all types of copywriting niches. Just pick one and start. Direct response copywriting, the big money skill. Direct response copywriting is where the real money is. It's the type of writing that gets instant reactions, whether it's clicking a link, making a purchase, or signing up for something. Every big business, marketer, and brand relies on direct response copywriting to make sales happen right now. Think of sales letters, those long, high-converting pages you see online, landing pages where you enter your email to get a freebie, Facebook and Google ads, the ones that make you stop scrolling, email sequences, those last chance emails that make you buy, and the number one framework that powers all of this? AIDA, the formula that has been used to sell billions of dollars worth of products. Let's break it down. The AIDA formula: attention, interest, desire, action. This is the gold standard for writing high-converting copy. Here's how it works. 1. Attention. Hook your reader in 3 seconds. In a noisy world, people don't have time to read boring copy. Your first line must grab their attention instantly. How to do it? Use a bold statement. You're losing money every day, without even realizing it. Ask a powerful question. Did you know 90% of businesses fail because of this one mistake? Make a shocking claim. This tiny tweak increased my income by 237% overnight. Example. Before. Looking for a new marketing strategy? Boring. After. Why your marketing strategy is silently killing your sales, and how to fix it today. Powerful checkmark. The goal? Stop the scroll and make them think. Wait, what? I need to read this. 2. Interest. Make them curious and hooked. Now that you have their attention, you need to build curiosity and make them eager to learn more. How to do it? Highlight a pain point. Most people think working harder will make them more money. But what if I told you that's completely false? Share a story. I used to struggle with copywriting, writing page after page that nobody read. Then I discovered this simple trick. Use proof and credibility. This strategy has been used by Fortune 500 companies to skyrocket their conversions. Example. Before. We offer the best SEO services. Boring. After. If your website isn't ranking on Google's first page, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every month. Here's how to fix that. Engaging checkmark. This step keeps them hooked and wanting to read more. 3. Desire. Make them want what you're offering. Now you've got their attention, but why should they care? This is where you sell the transformation, not just the product. How to do it? Focus on benefits. Imagine waking up to sales notifications instead of chasing clients. Tap into emotions. How would it feel to write words that make money on autopilot? Show a before and after. Before, struggling with ads that don't convert. After, tripling your revenue with just a few copy tweaks. Example. Before, our software has advanced AI features. Boring. After, never waste hours on copy again. Our AI writes high-converting sales pages for you in minutes. Irresistible checkmark. The key? Make them visualize success and feel the excitement of the transformation. 4. Action. Tell them exactly what to do next. Now, it's time for the money move, getting them to take action. If you don't clearly tell people what to do, they won't do it. How to do it? Use strong CTA buttons. Click below to get instant access. Add urgency. This offer expires in 24 hours. Keep it simple and direct. Download now. No credit card required. Example. Before. Sign up for our newsletter. Week. After. Want to master copywriting? Join 10,000 plus marketers and get exclusive tips delivered to your inbox every week. Sign up now. Persuasive checkmark. Final takeaway. If you master AIDA, you can. Write sales pages that convert like crazy. Create ads that stop the scroll and get clicks. Sell products and services without sounding salesy. Make money writing for yourself or clients. This is the #1 skill that separates great copywriters from amateurs.